Namaste. My name is Debojyoti. I play Sita. I am a disciple of Pandit Vidyadev Dasgupta and Mr. Shahid Parvez Khan. I am learning sitar for last 20 years, and uh, and I was looking for opportunities which will help my career building. And at that time, I approached many companies for releasing my CDs and for recordings. But at that time, everyone was very apprehensive because I am a newcomer and a upcoming artist. So today in this world, nobody gives the opportunity to who is upcoming and the new artists. At that time, somebody suggested me Mr. Rajendra Vishwapan names, and then first time I heard about this company, Sonic Octaves. And that time I contacted him and then sent one of my CDs. And one thing that struck me with the first instance, that he was so friendly. He invited me for for an interview, and he was so friendly, and atmosphere was so friendly that it didn't strike me that I have come to a music company and I'm talking to some who is the CEO of that company. He first day he told me to come with the sitar, and I played in front of him, and he was very cooperative. And that day he agreed to record my CD. So when I first heard about the Sonic Octaves, so I approached him, and he told me to submit a CD, because there is a procedure that there is an advisory committee who listens to the CDs of the musicians. And after 15 days, he called me back that you have been approved by the committee, and and a date was fixed. So I came for the recording, and I never thought that it would be so easy because I was nervous. It was my first CD is going to be recorded, but he was so helpful. So the recording, I really enjoyed the recording that day, because Rajendraji is a very good musician, a very accomplished musician. He plays Sambadini so well. So he understands the psychology of the musicians very well. So recording both, it was so good that I liked it. And he also very helpful in the post production also. He encourages me, so not only me, it is everybody who comes here. And so he knows how to extract the best from the artist, and that's the way. And my experience was very good till now. And the CD was released. He arranged a program where my CD was released, and also I played there, and before a very appreciating audience. And this whole experience of me with the Sonic Octaves is so encouraging and so good that I want to tell all my fellow musicians ki they should come to this company. It's not like every day I hear the stories about all the music companies. They charge so much money from the, especially who are upcoming and who are struggling for getting a foothold in this industry, which is very difficult. Because if you are not a son of a, if you are father, or if you're not from a very good musician who has family, then it's very difficult to get an opportunity like this. All the renowned music companies, they don't give you a chance. So it is a very rewarding experience for me. So after releasing the CD, it has been very helpful for me, because if a CD is released from a company, it helps you a lot. It gives you a recognition that now you are up to a certain level, so that your CD is releasing. And in that way, it has helped me a lot, because whenever I now approach the new organizers, I give them my CD. And it's because it's a studio recorded and it's a very good quality CD, and so I get call from them also. So it has helped me in my career a lot. And about the Sonic Octaves, they are marketing my CD so well. So wherever I go, whether it is Rhythm House or Riva Vishwanath or wherever, so my CD is displayed there. And पहले मुझे बहुत सारे comprehensions थे, because lot of people say that companies will charge you so much money and the transaction of royalties and all that. लेकिन after recording and it has been almost 6 months ago it was released. The company is, I'll say कि सबको आनी चाहिए and is so good, especially in the financial dealings also. I find it very satisfactory. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा and I advise everybody who is aspiring and any coming musicians कि उनको approach करें, Sonic Matters में आए and make it a success.